What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Future Rev, your home for the deepest dives into the most groundbreaking cars on the planet. If you're into next-level automotive tech, elite performance, and honest expert breakdowns, you're exactly where you need to be. Now let's get into it, because this one hits different. What if I told you that Chevrolet just brought back an American legend and made it more dangerous, more powerful, and more technologically advanced than anything they have ever built before? No, seriously, Ford, Dodge, and every muscle car manufacturer on the planet is paying very close attention right now, because the 2027 Chevrolet Camaro just came back with a vengeance, and absolutely nobody was ready for what Chevrolet just dropped on the entire automotive world. Chevrolet has officially pulled the cover off the 2027 Camaro. And this is not the Camaro you remember from before. This is a completely reimagined American muscle machine that blends raw power, cutting-edge technology, and next-generation design in a way that has never been done before in this segment. Forget everything you thought you knew about this car. This is the Camaro completely reborn and rebuilt from the ground up. First, let's talk about how this thing looks, because the exterior alone is enough to stop traffic on any street in the world. The 2027 Camaro wears a dramatically redesigned body with an aggressive wide-body stance, sharp angular lines, a sculpted hood with functional heat extractors, and completely redesigned quad LED headlights that cut through the darkest night like precision lasers. A new rear diffuser, active rear spoiler, and wider rear haunches give it a planted and aggressive road presence unlike anything in its class. This car doesn't just look fast. It looks like it was born angry and built for war. Now the performance, and this is where Chevrolet went absolutely wild and threw everything at this machine. Under the hood sits a supercharged 6.2L V8 engine pumping out a jaw-dropping 700 horsepower and 670 pound-feet of torque. We're talking 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds with a top speed pushing an incredible 200 miles per hour. There is also a brand new electric performance variant delivering instant torque from a standstill, and an impressive 400-mile driving range on a single charge. Magnetic ride control, launch control, line lock, and an active performance exhaust system that sounds absolutely savage make every single drive an unforgettable event. This powertrain is not just impressive, it is a masterpiece of American engineering at its absolute finest. On the technology front, the 2027 Camaro introduces a brand new Asterisk Performance Sense AI system, a fully driver-focused technology suite featuring adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and an available Level 2 semi-autonomous highway assist mode. The brand new 13.4-inch diagonal curved touchscreen dominates the center console and integrates seamlessly with a full-color heads-up display that projects speed, navigation, and performance data directly into your line of sight. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates ensure this car stays current and connected for years to come. Step inside the cockpit, and everything is built around one single purpose: the driver. Napa leather sport bucket seats with heating and ventilation, carbon fiber interior trim, a flat-bottom performance steering wheel with integrated drive mode controls, and customizable ambient lighting in multiple colors create an atmosphere that is aggressive, focused, and deeply satisfying. This interior is not just comfortable. It is a driver's sanctuary designed to make you feel like a racing driver every single time you sit behind the wheel. Stacker it against the Ford Mustang Dark Horse, Dodge Challenger, and BMW M4 competition, and the 2027 Camaro holds its ground with absolute pride and confidence. The Mustang may carry decades of history, but the Camaro answers back with superior technology and a more refined overall package. The BMW M4 wins on European precision and handling finesse, but the Camaro completely destroys it on raw emotion, aggressive character, and outstanding value for money. The Dodge Challenger brings brute force, but the Camaro simply outclasses it in every modern performance metric that matters today. Starting price lands around $48,000, with performance trim levels climbing steadily, and the fully loaded ZL1 pushing well past $82,000. Fuel efficiency on the V8 sits at approximately 16 mpg city and 24 mpg highway, while the electric variant completely changes the ownership economics. Annual maintenance costs run approximately $900 to $1,400. making the 2027 Camaro one of the most accessible and rewarding high-performance machines available in its class today. Long-term, this car holds strong resale value and delivers an ownership experience that is genuinely hard to match at this price point. The 2027 Chevrolet Camaro is not just a comeback story. It is a bold and powerful statement to the entire automotive world that American muscle is very much alive, relevant, and more exciting than ever before. Drop a comment below. What feature blew your mind the most? Would you actually buy one? Let us know exactly what you think. And if you want more in-depth breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe to Future Rev and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on everything you need to know about next-gen vehicles. See you in the next one.